Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all of you that are supporting by subscribing, and if you haven't already, then just make sure that you do. This week we're going to be talking about oral health. There's so many things that you can do at home, and stay watching. I'm going to tell you what this little instrument is, so let's dive in. I know you really want to make your dentist happy and what you do at home is so key, and oral health and oral beauty is having its time. There are loads of different gadgets and tools and things that you can use, and I'm going to dive into some of them, but especially this week we're going to talk about, drum roll, this. What is it? What is this little contraption? It's actually a tongue scraper. I'm sure you didn't know how important it is to look after your tongue. It's not just about teeth, which is what everybody tends to focus on, but did you know you've got lots of grooves and lots of bacteria lurking in between the tongue? And it's why often your teeth might be cleaner than clean, but yet you're still suffering from halitosis, which is bad breath. And it may be because of the bacteria that's in the tongue. Lots of people are good at brushing their teeth, and often they will use the same brush to clean their tongue, and that's fine if there's nothing else, if you haven't got the correct tool. But if you want to do it really, really well, you need to get one of these. People often ask me, do I have a favorite brand, a favorite type? This one's copper. So it is quite, sanitary, in that a lot of people kind of feel that copper is the best material, but you know what I'm like. I don't care what you use, whether it's copper, whether it's plastic. The key element is that you use it. So all of them have the same theory, the same premise, which is that you have a little flat area at the front, something that you hold on to, and I'm gonna demo on myself, how much do I love you, on what to do. And basically you just get this right down the back of your throat. Literally, it will make you gag. Yes, it will make you gag, so don't be put off. But I promise you, if you keep doing it, you will tolerate it more and you're not going to gag as much. The important thing is not just to keep it at the front, you need to get right to the very back, because you've got lots of nooks and crannies, and so this is really good and very precise at wiping everything off. You know, if you're doing all the right thing, if you're doing the flossing, you're doing the brushing, that can make such a difference for you. So you might be asking, how often should be using this? I mean, ideally every day, but it's a bit like flossing, where I say to people at least every other day. Then you can be sure that things don't have a chance to build up over a long period of time. But now I know you really want to see me do this, don't you? So come with me, we're going to go next door and I'm going to demo how to do it. So come on through. So as you can see, I've got my trusty sword. I've got the mouth guard ready. I'm just holding it and adapting the size so it fits my tongue. So everybody's tongue is a slightly different size. And make sure that you don't just stick it at the front of the tongue. You need to get right to the very back. You can see that you can literally see my tonsils back there. And then it will make you gag. Don't be put off by that. And literally, you need to just do one swipe from the back to the front. Even one is enough. If you can do two, great. And you can see all the gunk that's coming out. Quite disgusting, but it's quite satisfying as well. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Hope that was helpful and that you learned something. Send me some videos of you using this. I think that would be a fun thing. And then I can tell you if you're doing it properly. Give me comments down below if you've got any questions that I missed out. And also, what else you'd like me to talk about. You know I love talking teeth. So what other gadgets would you like me to demo? And I will see you same time next week. Bye.